The Holystone HS-510 comes with a really nice semi-rigid case. It's not a soft case, so it's well protection. A nice piece of foam here that protects the drone itself, which is form-fitted, your control module, and your power supply, and a zipper lock for cables and extra propellers and screws and instructions. It's a nice setup. The drone unfolds very easily. These are very tight, rigid arms. They don't come out easy. I'm going to unfold it because I need two hands for it. You know what's amazing is Holystone has packed a full-feature drone in this small package. It's heavy duty. It's built well. It's solid. This right here is your memory card slot and your camera. And your camera is adjustable manually. It's a very tight fit. So if you want to shoot down, for instance, if you're in real estate and you're shooting roofs and you put it in the down position, if you want to do general photography, you put it 3/4 position. So it's a well-designed machine. It's got your optical sensor down here. It's got nice little rubber pads on the bottom to set it down. The battery's right here. Comes out easily. And you get about 16 minutes of flying time with this battery. So the package includes two batteries. They fit right in the slot. And up front there's some green and red lights to let you know when it's fully charged. They can both be charged simultaneously. So this is your controller for the Holystone 510. And it's pretty nice. It's got your antennas that are folded up. Behind it is a support for your phone. This pulls out and you can support your phone in there. There's hand supports on the bottom, and I need two hands to do it, so I'm gonna open it up and come on. Here's your controller. It's very nice ergonomically. It's solidly built. These are hand grips. You can grab with two hands when you're controlling it. And it's got a photo button, it's got a launch button, it's got an on and off button, and it's got a home button. On the back here, this is a bunch of other buttons that does other things. But we turn it on, and that's what it looks like. When your GPS is synced to this button, will come up showing the battery, your GPS, and your cut that. When your drone is synced, these lines will start moving, and you'll see the battery power in your drone. And there's a GPS button that's off. There's a button on the side that toggles the GPS on for better control. And mode 1 and 2, that shifts what these controls to do. Right now this is raises up and down and rotates, and this one is angled to left and right. Go to mode 1 and that reverses that depending on what you're comfortable with. And this shows the power in your controller itself, the battery power, and pretty nice. It really works well. You want to download the Ophelia app, and that syncs the whole system together. This is basically what the screen looks like. You can enter your device, and there's a procedure for syncing it up. It walks you through it. So the syncing procedure is pretty simple. Your drone has its own Wi-Fi, so first you want to turn it on, and it's on at this point. And then you want to go to settings, and you want to get to your Wi-Fi, and you're going to look for the Wi-Fi for this unit. And so we basically go back to the app, and sync it up. Says it's not connected at this point. It shows it's hooked into the Wi-Fi. Let's go to the app, and it's connected. And so that's kind of all it takes to get it to go. You can get the propellers to spin to check it, and that's what we're going to do. As you can see, the video is connected. This is the camera on the drone. So you're looking at the camera of the drone. It's on the ground. Let's fire it up. Propellers are going, and let's lift her up. There she is. Pretty nice. And as you can see, the quality is pretty good out of the video camera on board. It's nice and clear. It's pretty stable. Rotates well, easy to handle. It's got a good little camera. It's got a nice, this is a 64 gig chip inside of it. And looks like we're holding still right there as the bus goes by. Doesn't seem to affect it much. Rotating it around, showing it what kind of simple actions you can do. You do a lot more inclusive actions, but I'm just showing you the basics on this one. And she's coming in for landing. I hit the landing button, and there you are, right there. Holy Stone 510 folding drone. It is really a nice piece of equipment.